So in EMF MMF method, we have to connect the circuit as per the circuit diagram. So here we have motor connections. Above we have generator connections. According to circuit diagram, we have to connect all the connections like rheostats, voltmeter, ammeter, switch, TPST switch, and other ammeter, load ammeters. We have to connect according to the circuit diagram. So before going to start the experiment, we have to ensure motor field rheostat in minimum position and generator field rheostat in maximum position. Then switch is in open condition. Switch is in open condition. So we have to ensure those things and switch on the DPST switch. So here light will glow. So once if you switch on, light will be on. So next, start the motor by 3-point starter. Now adjust the motor field rheostat. Motor field rheostat up to rated speed. So rated speed is 1500. Now rated speed we have to adjust. Parallelly, we have to note down the field current. Field current is 0.1, 0.14 and voltage is 120 volts. So line voltage is 120. So that now adjust the generator field rheostat step by step. Note down the field current and line voltage. Field current is now 0.2 and line voltage is 140. So like that we have to adjust the generator field rheostat up to rated voltage. Rated voltage of the rated voltage of the alternator is 415 volts. 415 up to rated voltage we have to adjust. So parallelly note down the field current and line voltage. So now 0.28 field current and line voltage is 200. So up to 415 volts we have to note down step by step. Now 0.32 field current, line voltage is 240. .42 field current is 284. So parallelly you have to note down all the field current readings and line voltage readings. Now 0.6. So now 278. Okay. So now 0.72 field current and line voltage is 380. 392. So now, these are the readings we got from this experiment, field current and line voltage. Now for MMF method, bring back the generator field rheostat to original position, that is maximum position. Close the TPST switch. Again adjust the generator field rheostat up to rated current. Rated current is 6.2 amperes. So here we have to check. Now 3 amperes is there. Now field current, line current is 3 amperes. Now adjust this generator field rheostat up to 6.2. So now you can check this 6.2 short circuit current 6.2 amperes and parallelly the field current is 0.4. Note down in the tabular column. So field current is 0.4 for MMF method. Field current is 0.4. Short circuit current is 6.2 amperes. So now, so what we have to do? So after note down the readings, bring back the generator field rheostat to original position. Open the load switch, that is TPST switch, and bring back the motor field rheostat to minimum position. Open the TPST switch. Calculate the voltage regulation by using values.